Hi, I'm Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, zaptest.com. In today's video, I will show you how to develop and implement your testing center of excellence using 10 steps. 1. Executive commitment. The dedication to quality starts at the top. Retaining executive support is crucial to setting the foundation for your testing center of excellence. 2. Be honest. When you select leaders for the testing teams, you must prepare those individuals to be honest and realistic about goals and expectations with everyone involved. There can't be any conflicts of interest or partiality. The experts you choose have to represent the epitome of organizational success. 3. Understand the risks and rewards. There will be a trade-off between risks and rewards, as the testing center of excellence is an investment worth making. Don't expect to see zero bugs or defects within your projects. You'll likely have to compromise to achieve optimal quality assurance in competitive fields. 4. Defect prevention and detection. The QA team is critical when testing software and during your development of the proof of concept template for software testing. Detecting defects during the design and requirement phases saves time and money versus catching them in the production phases. 5. Evaluate integration barriers. Focusing on end-to-end integration also boosts productivity and prevents barriers further down the line. Noticing defects regarding customer experience should always be a part of any system implementation that does well with software testing. Stay tuned for part 2. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch our other videos linked in the description.